At Elevate Home Advocates, we understand that once you get your home inspection report, sometimes you're not necessarily handy enough to do some of the regular home maintenance things on your own. Let our team take care of it. We've got technical professionals in-house that can come and do those regular maintenance kind of things to your house. Whether you want us to pop by twice a year or every quarter and evaluate the roof and the gutters and evaluate the attic, change the filter for you. Make sure you don't have any leaks that you just kind of let go by. We'll take care of looking at all of those regular maintenance things and get some hands-on, like tightening your doorknobs or tightening the window latches that you maybe forgot about. And if there's anything significant in your house that needs to be taken care of that a regular home maintenance technician just can't do, let us connect you with one of our partners. We have great relationships with local electricians or plumbers or handymen. It's really important for us as a small business in Greater Detroit to connect homeowners with other local business professionals who are well known and liked and trusted to make sure that your home is taken care of. So consider the Elevate Home Advocates team to help you take care of your house so that when you go to sell it in the future, you know that there will be no surprises.